Hi all. Today let us learn about some coins and stamps which are related to the Republic Day. First of all, wish you all a very happy 72nd Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated every year in India on January 26 to commemorate the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect and the country became a fully independent sovereign state. This Republic Day, let us familiarize ourselves with the story of the Constitution development, the significance of January 26 through coins and stamps. We will also know about some interesting facts about the Constitution, Republic Day, and the father of Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. India became independent on August 15, 1947. Although India became independent from the British Raj following the Indian independence movement, but it did not have a constitution of its own. Indian laws were based on a modified version of the British established Government of India Act 1935. Hence, a drafting committee with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the chairman was appointed for drafting a permanent constitution for India. The Constitution of India took around 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days to be drafted. The Constitution was adopted on November 26, 1949. However, it came into force on January 26, 1950. So, what is the significance of the date January 26? The significance of January 26 is that it was on this day in 1929 that the Indian National Congress made the well known declaration of Purna Swaraj or complete self rule. Thus, when the Constitution of India was adopted on November 26, 1949, many considered it necessary to celebrate this day associated with the nation with the national pride. Hence, the Republic Day is celebrated across India on January 26 with lots of patriotism and fervor. It is a day where every community comes together and celebrates the Republic Day. On the screen, you can see a Citizen stamp issued for the Constitution of India. A Citizen stamp is a set of two stamps which are joined together. You can see on this screen or towards the left hand side a miniature sheet of the Constitution of India stamp. On the right hand side, you can see the two individual stamps. Next, I will show you a permanent picture cancellation postcard which was released on the occasion of Constitution Day, which is 26 November 2020. On this picture cancellation, you can see justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity stamp. Here are some facts about our Constitution. The original copies of the Constitution are preserved in the helium file caskets at the Library of Parliament House. There are two copies of the Indian Constitution, one in English and the other in Hindi. Both the copies of the Constitution are handwritten. There are no printed copies. The Indian Constitution is the only one which is calligraphed, it is not printed. The Indian Constitution is the longest one to be written in the world. It has 444 articles divided into 22 parts and 12 schedules. Next on the screen, you can see a souvenir cover on the occasion of Republic Day. This souvenir cover was released by the Vijayawada head office in 2017 on the occasion of 75 years of 1942 freedom movement. Here are some interesting facts on the Republic Day. India celebrated its first Republic Day almost 3 years after we acquired independence. The date was January 26, 1950. The Republic Day is a 3 day affair which ends on January 29 with the beating retreat ceremony. During the beating retreat ceremony, the English hymn Abide by Me has been played every year until 2020. It was said to be a favorite of Mahatma Gandhi. However, it was dropped last year as the ministry tried to introduce more Indian tunes to the celebration. On Republic Day, bravery awards are given to the deserving candidates. Veer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Paramveer Chakra, Kirti Chakra, and Ashok Chakra are distributed during the celebrations. Next are some stamps and coins issued on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the father of our Indian Constitution. This is the first day cover, which was issued on 14th of April 1966. This is the birthday of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next, you can see is a 1 rupee coin, which was again released in 1966 on the birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next, you can see a 10 rupee coin, which was issued on the 125th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The previous coin was released on the 100th birth anniversary, and this is the 1 rupee coin. And the 10 rupee coin was issued to celebrate the 125th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Here are some interesting facts on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. His birth anniversary is celebrated on 14th April as Ambedkar Jayanti or Bhim Jayanti to honor his countless contributions in making of the present day independent India. Ambedkar played a key role in the establishment of Reserve Bank of India in 1935. The credit of giving place to Ashok Chakra in the Indian tricolor also goes to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The book Waiting for a Visa, written by Dr. Baba Sahib, is a textbook at Columbia University. Columbia University made a list of world's top 100 scholars in 2004, and the first name in that list was Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Baba Sahib was the world's first and the only satyagrahi who did satyagraha for drinking water. Now, here are some glimpses of Republic Day 2021 celebrations through coins and stamps. On the screen, you can see a 5 rupee coin which says Golden Jubilee 1965 operations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tribute to the fallen soldiers by laying a wreath at the National War Memorial at India Gate. You can see an image of National War Memorial on the 5 rupee coin. Next is a stamp of India Gate, a 10 rupee stamp which was issued as a part of Indians in the First World War series of stamps. On the screen next is a 5 rupee commemorative coin which was released on the occasion of 100 years of civil aviation in 2011. The Border Security for Camel contingent is a one which is remembered every year. The BSF Camel contingent, always a sight to behold. On the screen, you can see a first day cover of Border Security Force, which was issued in 2015. Next is the stamp on Kedarnath, which was showcased as a part of the Jhagiyan for Republic Day for Uttarakhand Tableau. The Uttarakhand Tableau showcased the Kedarnath temple this year. The block of four stamps, which you can see on the screen, show the Char Dham temples, which are Kedarnath, Badrinath, Yamunotri, and Gangotri. Next, you can see a stamp which you can relate to the tableau of Punjab, which showcase the glory of Guru Tegh Bahadur. The tableau of Punjab showcased the glory of ninth Guru, Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur. The tableau had the theme 40th, 400th birth anniversary of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur. At the end of the trailer showed Gurudwara Shri Rakabganj Sahib, the site of the cremation of Guru Tegh Bahadur. On the screen next, you can see a stamp which you can relate to the DRDO tableau from the Republic Day celebrations. This stamp was issued on the Diamond Jubilee celebration of DRDO in 2018. That's all. I would like to conclude by saying we all are 72 years old together as a nation, no matter the age of our bodies. And the power of unity is that we are celebrating the 72nd year of Republic Day together. Wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Thank you.